What's up, everybody? This is Perry Hester coming at you from West El Paso. I'm here at one of our listings at 6204 Franklin Hawk. But today, I don't want to talk about the house. I want to talk about the three most common types of home loans and what you need to keep in mind when you're out there considering possibly buying a home this summer. Interest rates are still historically very low, so we know there's going to be a lot of purchases and sales this summer in particular leading up to the presidential election. So real quick, FHA, that's Federal Housing Administration, okay? That type of loan exists really as an incentive for home buyers, especially first-time home buyers who haven't purchased yet, and to get them to commit to actually making that first purchase. So by lowering the bar to entry a little bit, it makes it a lot more feasible for people to actually go ahead and make that commitment and make that first purchase. So right now, currently you're looking at about a 4.375% interest rate on that FHA loan, and you're looking at potentially a down payment as low as 3.5%. Now, that down payment and interest rate are partly contingent on your credit score, okay? So to qualify for that, in those terms, you need at least a bare minimum of a 580 credit score, okay? Preferably you're sitting up at 600 or up above there, but you need a bare minimum 580 to qualify for that FHA loan. You can use it more than once. I'll be doing more of a deep dive on these loans in the future, but to get you that first home, the FHA is a strong option for anybody out there. Really, I would recommend looking into it. Next, VA, Veterans Administration, okay? Members of the military, members of the armed forces, you know who you are. Army, Marines, Navy, Coast Guard, etc. You qualify for potentially a 0% down payment on a home, and the loan amounts go up to about $400,000 if memory serves. Currently, as far as interest rate, you're looking at about a 4.375% interest rate, and again, a down payment that's either zero or very, very close to zero. Now, conventional loans. This encompasses a wide range of loans, can be configured in many different ways. You could be looking at a down payment as low as about 5%, and potentially zero if you're an extremely high cash flowing individual or couple. Physician loans, for example, they can be configured to have like a 0% down payment. But as always, check with a mortgage professional, check with a realtor before you ask for the 0% down payment loan type. So conventional, again, encompasses a wide range of down payments, a wide range of configurations, but as the name implies, it is conventional and it can be configured in a variety of different ways. Now, loan terms, fixed rate, you want a fixed interest rate, generally speaking, when you're looking into a home or a property, and you also want to be clear on the loan term itself. So 15 years and 30 years are the most common loan terms. You can pay off a home quicker with a 15-year term and potentially come up with a lower interest rate, but keep in mind your payments are going to be higher if you go that way. Now, 30-year tends to have more reasonable payments and is a little bit easier for most people to satisfy on a month-to-month basis. So that's a quick overview. You're also going to need 2 years of income statements, 2 years of tax returns, and your credit score is going to be tapped when you're seeking financing. Keep that in mind. Those are things that are going to be asked of you and usually expected of you when you go out and you're seeking financing from a lender or institution. So I hope this was helpful. If you need assistance with credit or financing or just what the steps of the process to buying a home are, let me know. That's what I'm here for. Thank you for watching this video. Again, I'm Perry Hester with ERA Real Estate here in El Paso. Thank you for watching, and you have a great day.